Welcome back, friends. I'm so glad to see you again this week. It is a very special week because someone special has a birthday.
Happy birthday, Miss Mary.
That's right. It is Miss Mary's birthday. Wherever you're at, send Miss Mary a little hallway hug right now and wish her the happiest 50th birthday ever. You are loved, Miss Mary.
I hope everybody had a happy Mother's Day.
One of my favorite things that we do here at Word Central is when several of the teachers and staff get together and learn a dance to do for the students at the end of the school year. As you can imagine, we can't really do that in person this year, so I got to thinking. Miss Pam, the lady who cuts my hair, it's been a long time, as you can tell. Last time I was with her, she challenged us to do the Git Up dance. It's a YouTube dance challenge, and she said, Word Central, I think y'all could do it. And you know what? I think she is right. I think this is the perfect time for us to say, Miss Pam, we accept your dance challenge. And so I have included the links in the description below. Click those links and just learn the dance.
To the left now. To the right. Now take your left hand and put it on your side. Gonna roll your shoulders. Do the slip and slide. This next part's my favorite part of this time to shine. Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with 'em. Do the hold down and get into it.
And here is the best part. I talked to Miss Reed today, and next time we are all together, we are gonna have a celebration and all do the Get Up dance together. I cannot wait.
Million's pets are a chicken named Pearl and a horse named Apache.
Let's now take a look at some of our field day activities from last week.
Get set, go! Oh! Run fast, Amber, go!
It knows.
Go! Hey, go!
41.
Hey, stop!
So you know how we always talk about being a bounce back kid? This phase of history that we're in right now is a chance for us to practice bouncing back. Now maybe you're sitting at home and you're like, this is the best. I wish we always did it like this. But if you are kind of struggling with it, you're used to being with your friends and you don't get to see them, you miss your teacher, whatever it is that you're struggling with, maybe your parents are driving you crazy, or parents, maybe your kids are driving you crazy. This is an opportunity for us to practice bouncing back. When life is tough, we don't stay down. We may get knocked down for a second. We might feel our feelings for a second, but then we're gonna bounce back and we're going to try and make the most of our situation. Remember that Spider-Man blow-up toy that when you knock him over, he doesn't stay down, he bounces right back? That's what we've got going on right now. I hope that you will use this opportunity as a time to practice bouncing back.
Have consequences. All of the actions have consequences.
And now let's check in with Miss Schumacher. Oh wait, that's not Miss Oh, it is! It's flat Miss Schumacher. What has she been up to this week?
It might rain a little bit today and through the weekend.
Mr. Percival wanted to remind you that the deadline for 3rd and 4th graders to submit their videos to him for this year's talent show is Friday. If you can't think of anything to do, maybe Cash's dance moves could inspire you.
No, I can't do the one.
Oh, it's pretty good though. What is that one?
Open the door.
Open the door. Great one.
Okay, I actually know how to walk.